In the old days, when slot machines used coins, we had a number of issues. One, it was much slower because as people won, the coins had to drop out of the machine. Very often the hopper would be empty, we'd have to fill it. People had to drop coins into the machine. There was no credit play in those days. As credit play was added, and as ticketing was added, and as coins were eliminated, the rate of rounds per hour, spins per hour, went up dramatically. Machines today, you'd probably get 500 spins an hour or more, whereas in the old days, you were lucky to get 200 to 300 spins per hour.
I got 3 in.